Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap, once again, is nearly all machine work. I do some work on the lathe, some drilling and tapping, and some drilling and tapping on the milling machine. I make a small hydraulic adapter for a friend of mine. I'd like to say a massive thanks to anybody that's bought a t-shirt from the latest t-shirt campaign. I've sold quite a few of them, nearly enough to start the printing process off. I'll put a link in the description box at the bottom of the video. If you want to buy a t-shirt, click on the link and follow it. Any profit from the t-shirts goes directly to helping me and Deb get to America for the YouTubers Bash this year. So a massive thanks for that.
Hi everybody, I hope you're all well. And once again, it's one of John's draws for a DTI. I have my bucket with all my names in. And this week's winner is Paul Lasky.
Thanks very much for that, Deb. I'll get this in the post to you this week. Nice little DTI gauge in a box. I'm going to do another draw this week. This week's draw is going to be for this modern right scribing block. It hasn't got a scribe with it, but I'll make a scribe. My friend Bob gave us it. I'll get a close-up shot of it. I'll make a nice hardened silver steel scribe to go with it. Very handy tool. If you want a chance at winning that, all you've got to do is send me an email. That's my email address up there, with your name. Your name goes into the bucket, and Dave or Emmy or somebody will pull the name out. If it's your name that's pulled out, I'll post it off anywhere in the world, completely free of charge. Your name remains in the bucket unless you win, so you've always got a chance of winning whatever I do next week and the week after that. There's some pure mail coming this week, I'll show you that. The first thing that came is this AR-40 collet chuck. This has come all the way from America. A lad called Peter Carver sent it for us. He bought this thinking he was buying an AR-32. I'll get a close-up shot of that later on, and I've got a pretty good idea what I'm going to be able to use it for. The next item that came from all the way from South Africa, a lad called S. Bukes has sent us them. The email is asking if I wanted them. I do intend building quite a big mill engine, steam engine, and these will be ideal, except that means if I make an engine it's going to be massive. They're really nice, beautiful, original, unused, clean condition. My wife already wants us to polish them and put bases on so she can put them on the fireplace, so I think that's what will happen to them until I buy or make an engine that'll suit them. Anyway, thanks once again. You really have made Debs very happy. The dry flange I did the TIG braze repair on last weekend. I've had a lot of comments about that, about some of the voids and the welds. I must admit, when I played the video back, it looked a lot worse in video than it actually was. What I've done, I've re-welded it and remachined it. I'll show a little bit of that. This is the AR-40 collet chuck that Peter sent us all the way from America. And you can see it definitely wants to become firm friends with that catch plate. It's a spare catch plate I've got, so I'll see about marrying them two together, possibly later on this week. These are the two drip oilers who came all the way from Africa. Absolutely beautiful things here. Like I said, Deb's already put claim to them. I've got another one of these wonderful engineering drones here. I've got a fitting to make. It's a hydraulic fitting for a friend. Basically, it's about a 30mm diameter bar, 100mm long, and he wants one end with a 3/8 BSP thread in, the other end's quarter BSP, and there's 3/8 BSP holes drilled through and tapped into a gallery which goes right through, The top part of the bars machined flat and then drilled and tapped 8th BSP. I've got a bit of suitable material. Bit of 30mm bar there. And we'll square one end up, part it off to 100mm, drill it for the 1/4 BSP, tap one end, counter bore that in for the 3th BSP, mill the machine, mill it flat on it, mark out the 3 holes, and drill and tap them. Quite a simple, straightforward enough job. It's a manifold of some description of some hydraulic thing he's working on or making. Anyway, I have got loads of BSP taps. It's good when you get a drawing like this and the dimensions are all metric, and then you go for the old fashioned BSP thread. And BSP still used worldwide, British standard pipe. Important tools on centre height. You also make sure that it's square to the job. Simple way is just the end of the bar squared up. Simply press the tool against there like that, tighten it up, and that's it. Dead on, 90 degrees to the job. I'll part this off just over 100mm long, and then we can face the end of the bar to get the length right. $102mm, $103mm, that should do. I'm investing in a new oil brush. I've got the lathe running at 90 RPM. Nearly all the way through there. I don't want to cut it all the way through because it's going to drop off and clatter around in the bed. A quick and accurate way to get the length right is to set the vernier at the length you want, which is 100. So set that to 100. 100mm. Zero it. And we'll measure the length of the bar. It will just part it off. Right, the bar measures at 3.27, 3.28. So if I take 3.27 off the end of there, that will make the bar 100mm long. Remove that, and touch it off there. Right, 3.27, 1, 2, take 3mm off it first and the last little bit. Need to allow that bar to be 100mm long, which is the finished length. I'm going to drill it right through. Tap and drill for quarter BSP is 7/16. Centre drill first. A nice long 3/16 drill. We'll go through that first, all the way through. Still. Still needs sharpening, it's only cutting on one flute. Right, that's considerably better. The same drill, just very lightly touched up on a stone. It's not perfect, still cutting more on one flute than on the other, but it's certainly cutting alright. A fairly new quarter tap, nice and sharp. Sure, the tap run that power, no problem. Power it back out. That's a nice, decent sharp thread. I put a little countersink in the end and just break that corner there, break that edge. Right, that's one end done. We'll turn it round and do the 3/8 BSP on the other end. Tap and drill for 3/8 BSP, it's 15mm. Once again, this is a fairly decent tap, so it should power in okay. Which it is. There, nice clean sharp threads. Once again, I'll just put a little radius on there and I'll just break that corner. Certainly near enough for a hydraulic fitting. Nice sharp threads, and there you can see sharp shiny threads with a good finish on them. Next I need to mill it flat along there and then drill and tap. I think it's 3/8 BSP. It is one there and then one 20mm each side of it.